Everybody, welcome!
Hey guys!
This weekend we have 15 items going out on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, so we're super grateful for each and every sale. We got some good ones here, so check it out. We had 9 on Poshmark was the winner. We had 6 on eBay, and Mercari had a goose egg this time. Nothing on Mercari.
But those sales on Poshmark would never have happened unless we had used the list perfectly and cross-listed, right?
Oh my gosh, we and I think actually really it came down to also the sale that you put on the store as well.
I put
oh
a wicked sale on that hurt a little bit, but
no doubt,
it went great.
Well, let's get to it. Let's show you.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Sounds good. All right, so first going out on eBay here. This was a sale that just came in right before we started filming. You'll remember us finding this in our very first retail arbitrage video at, what was this, Walmart, I think? We picked up, and Walgreens. We picked up a bunch of Easter candy that was on sale right after Easter, and check this out. 2 bags of limited edition KitKat Lemon Crisps went for $35.98. Free shipping. So, yeah, 2 of those bags the buyer bought, the 2 that we had left, and hey, look at that.
And you have, yes, you have to watch the video about the candies.
Absolutely, check that out.
So fun, you guys. So much money to be made no matter who you are and where you live. Anyway,
Yeah.
sorry.
Just about everybody has a Walgreens or a Walmart, and the holidays, you know, are always there, so.
So you could even be a holiday thrifter if you wanted to and just be a candy man.
Oh my gosh, Candyman. Who doesn't love candy, right?
Yes, I love candy.
We're gonna find those, I believe, in our food one.
Yeah.
So we like to keep the food with the food.
Look who's here, just in time.
Oh, look who.
Baby Elmer.
You heard food.
Yeah, he did. The candy man.
All right, here we go.
This is not on my low carb diet, okay? I can't, honey.
I know, but we'll make do here. Okay. Now, another thing that sold, now these things, you know we like to sell these, right? Exterior illumination. All right, so the last 2 of these, you guys probably remember us picking these up, and I scraped a bunch of the labels off with the Scotty peeler and our heat gun. So we have 2 of these left here, just these 70 count blue icicle lights here. So this was actually 2 separate buyers, bought the last 2 boxes that we had. I think there was like 12 or so that you brought home one day.
Yeah.
And you picked these up for maybe a couple dollars a piece. They sold for $21.99 free shipping, each of those. So these are always selling. I mean, we have so many lights. We actually, check this out, we scoured the Walgreens and the Walmart and got all the lights we could that were still on sale.
Yeah.
We got a lot of listing to do left, and they just keep going out.
Yeah.
So.
Yee. Lights.
Yeah, don't discount those, or pick them up when they're discounted, those Christmas lights. All right, so next going out.
Oops, sorry.
All right, buddy, let's go this way. All right, so now, next going out, you're gonna find, or you probably remember us finding this in a video where we went to a bunch of garage sales one day, and this place had a ton of shoes, if you remember this place. The entire driveway was lined with shoes, all different sizes. We found out that he had bought out some storage lockers that was like a shoe store, you know, buyout, basically, or closeout, and started selling those.
And they were trying to sell them because every time we were out in that area, they were there with the driveway.
Yep, we're like, oh my gosh, there's a yard sale sign. I was like, hey, we've been here before, but hey, we'll come back because we found this thing as well. This time, it's an Ozark Trail outdoor yellow float bag. So you put this, you know, put your dry stuff in your canoe or something, and you put that in the bag and you just float it behind you or whatever. So this thing sold for $24.99 plus shipping.
Wow.
Yeah, I think we picked it up for, I don't know, a couple bucks. You have to watch the video. That's gonna be in bin H2, as you see in our custom SKU system here. Now this really helps you just tell how long you've had the item, what you paid for it, and what you've gotten for it. So, you know, are you gonna want to source this again? If it took like a year or so to sell, probably not, right? So,
Elmer.
Who likes a candy?
Who likes the Kit Kats?
I know, right?
Not Elmer. No, not Elmer.
Can't have a chocolate buddy, I'm sorry.
No.
Yeah. So in our custom SKU system here, we see that this was listed 0923. That's when I listed it. So that's going to tell us how long it's sold once it's sold. And then the H2, as you see, you'll see me find it in bin H2 here. And the last number there is 150. That's $1.50. That's how much we paid for it. Now, that is actually more of an average cost of goods right now for us. It was $1.50 at that time when I listed it. So that's pretty sweet right there. Just, saw that brand new in the bag. It's like, somebody's got to need that. Little camping equipment, right?
For sure.
Now, these things you'll see us find in a video where, Michelle, you were visiting in Minneapolis when I still lived there. And we went to a bunch of yard sales that day. A really fun video. You want to check that one out as well. These are a lot of 9 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 3-inch Easter egg party treat containers. Now, these went for $11.99 plus shipping. We just picked all of them up that were there. And let's see, didn't take too long to sell, about 6 months or so. And not a bad little profit there, actually. We probably paid like $1 for them. So we're going to find those in bin C. Ooh. That's going to be right over here. Okay. Right here, guys. A few of them were open, so we had nice like models to take pictures of as well. And then we had 2 sealed packages as well.
Oh.
So that was a pretty cool.
Very ferocious expression.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this thing right here, you're gonna remember us finding in a very recent video. We went to a place called Value Village, and we were looking for stuff to sell, obviously. It was a really big store. Neither of us have been there, so we had no idea what to expect, and we still had to dig really hard, but we found some good stuff. Like this genuine Sharp remote control. Now, I like to check out remote controls, as you probably remember us doing a live show on selling remote controls. It's very easy to do. This one in particular went for $11.99 free shipping. I think I paid like $1 for it or something in the video. Not bad, because it really takes no time at all to list, store, and ship, and they're fun to test. So we're gonna find that. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, we're gonna find that in bin A9. So that's down here.
Where you put the smaller stuff.
Yeah, I like to put the smaller stuff in the smaller bins with all the smaller stuff. And Elmer just loves to give gifts as well. I love you too, buddy. Yeah, thank you. Thanks, buddy. Help me find that one. Yeah. All right, here it is. $11.99 free shipping. So all you gotta do is just bubble wrap this, stick it in a poly mailer, get it, like 3-4 layers, good to go. All right, so that is it down here, because most all the stuff was from Poshmark up there, and Michelle's awesome attic of wonders. We're gonna go up there next and see a bunch of the stuff that sold on Poshmark from that sale, and most of the things were super old. So
yeah, it was great.
Yeah, getting rid of old inventory is so nice, so nice.
All my old numbered inventory, not my new numerical ones.
Okay. And yeah, and that's where it's like, we hope it's there. We know it's there. It just sometimes, takes a minute to find it. But the only thing I sold down here on Poshmark was a CD, actually. Babes in Toyland, Nemesisters. So it was in really excellent shape. $11 plus shipping for a used CD is not bad. I'm pretty sure these guys were from Minneapolis back in the day, sort of like in the grunge when that era started. And pretty cool little flip there. It's got a really cool like album cover. Let's see, where are we here? Oh gosh, I love selling music because it's going out to people that enjoy music just as much as we do. So it's just such a nice feeling sometimes.
Yeah, sending things out when you know that the people you're sending it to are just going to be so excited.
Oh, I know, right? Oh my gosh. Welcome to Whoop Whoop. This hasn't sold, but this is the funniest movie I've ever seen.
What? Why don't you tell me about this?
Welcome to Whoop Whoop.
Maybe we need to watch it.
I think so. It's really hard to find, though.
Is it?
Yeah, I had to pay like $20-some just for the DVD.
What?
I think it may be in the inventory still, but I think I sold it. So, I don't know. If not, we will watch it because it is hilarious.
Whoop, whoop.
Here is the... Exactly. Babes in Toyland CD here. So this is actually a BMG manufactured CD. So that makes it a little bit rare. There's no UPC bar. If you remember the Columbia House and the BMG music clubs where you'd like tape a penny to the thing and choose like 10 CDs. Those were licensed releases. So these are perfectly fine to sell. And some collectors want the BMG stamp instead of the UPC bar. It's a little more rare, you know. You didn't really see those. Like I've sold a Nirvana, their first CD, Nevermind, that was still new and sealed, a BMG release for like $50. So
wow.
Yeah, and if you mention,
that's why people run for media.
It's, you know, some of them sell. It's pretty awesome. All right, so that's it down here, guys. Let's follow Michelle upstairs and see what went on Poshmark.
All right. Ready? Attic of Wonders. I wonders how it got so bad, is why we called it, no, just kidding, the Attic of Wonders.
It's an Attic of Wonders because it's just full of unlisted inventory that just worth
like high end.
Yeah, so much great stuff we gotta get listed.
Okay, it's a little chilly here, up here.
It is.
All right, hon.
Okay.
I'm ready for the numbers.
All right. So the first one is gonna be in bin 603. Well, it's number 603. We have a Citizens of Humanity gray corduroy Avedon low-rise skinny jeans here.
603?
603.
Yee! Hi, Elmer! 603! Oh my gosh, yay!
Hey, all right.
Yes, I love selling AG. Okay.
Oh my gosh, yes. So that went for $37. Pretty awesome.
I like AG.
Awesome. Okay. So,
okay, great.
No, this was a sale or a bundle that we actually accepted just before filming as well. So this is pretty awesome here. This is a bundle of 2 nude tags, Warner taupe nude lace underwire bras.
Yes.
Yes. Now those are going to be in the 700 bin. Let's see.
700.
Right over here.
Straight up 700.
Yep. Number 7, 10, and 12. It's a little dark in here, guys. Sorry.
Okay, 7. Oh, 7, 7, and 12. Okay, cool.
All right. So those went, let's see, for, you were asking $26 a piece for those, and you sold the bundle of 2 for $44.
Yeah.
Awesome. Good job.
Plus, they pay for the shipping.
Yes, which is pretty dang cool.
Very. I need some light.
Oh, I know, right?
Come
so
back here.
Now we got Athleta gray top. Now that's going to be in bin 372.
372.
Or number 372.
372. Okay, 372.
Okay.
372.
So gray top from Athleta.
Oh, here we go.
Ah, perfect.
372.
Fantastic. Okay, so that went for, let's see, $15.
Woohoo! I'll take
sale.
$15.
Yeah, I think, what'd you put, like a 25% sale on?
I put a 30% sale for the first time and totally like went you know what all out on it.
Awesome. Well, it certainly worked.
It did.
Getting rid of this old inventory, and you know, if it's been sitting around for 2 years and you sell it, it's like like what did you like pay for it?
I know I've learned things because when I list things now, they're selling like within a week or a couple of days they're selling. So I just think the style of what I originally began with was very different because I was learning. So anything that you see me pick with a number on it is like my old inventory. So yeah, anyway.
Fantastic. Well, you're doing really great with that. Yeah, you're checking the sell-through rates on things and making sure that things are going to sell a little quicker.
I'm trying.
So yeah, absolutely.
I'm great at picking things out. I always kind of make fun of it, but I'm proud of some of the things I've gotten.
Absolutely, honey, you're doing awesome. So, speaking of that, for $15, we got a Rockin' Republic Forest and black V-neck blouse, and that is $110. So
boy.
Yeah, I believe that's like down in the corner. That's probably one of the first ones that you picked.
Yes.
Quite a long time ago.
110?
110.
Oh my gosh, yay.
All right. Sweet. Okay. So now, and next we've got a, let's see, a Hippie Love crochet dress in number 560.
Really?
So that's pretty cool, yeah.
I love hippie stuff. 560.
560. So it's a crochet dress. It's like a tan color.
Oh, here. 560.
Ah, perfect.
Okay, cool.
Sweet. Okay, and next going out, there's Old Navy jean jacket. Now this has got like a sort of slimming sort of sides, adjustable sides on it.
Okay.
That sold for $12. A nice denim jacket.
I'd had it forever in my closet, so very happy to see it go to a great home.
Yeah, and that's in bin number 577, probably right below that there.
587, 577. Oh, 577.
Denim jacket.
Yeah.
Very good. All right, so one of probably the cooler things where you'd wondering like, how did this not sell? This Kanye West Pablo light wash denim jean jacket. Wow,
Yeah.
This thing's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
And that thing went for $45. That is in bin E.
Bin E.
Bin E. Big denim jacket. It's got some like red writing on it. That's really cool.
It is really cool. So they salvage these used pre-loved jackets, and then he would go ahead and put some stamping and things on it. So each jean jacket is actually different.
Oh, that is so cool. Okay.
Yeah.
That's really cool to know. Yeah. Very cool. All right, and probably our like higher value sale of the week is this did not last long. Like you're saying, you know, some of these things that you list are selling right away because, you know.
I told him, I said, baby, I just put up a jacket that is so hot, and I priced it lower because we wanted it to move. And I said, you should get this up on, you know, eBay and Mercari real quick, or eBay real quick. And it's sold by the next morning or overnight. It's sold overnight.
Right. Yeah. I didn't even have a chance to cross-list it to eBay. It sold so fast.
Yeah.
And at $99, guys. This is a J. Crew women's cocoon puffer winter jacket, size large.
And it's approximately the color that I'm wearing, and the inside of it's pink.
Oh, neat.
It's beautiful, and it still had the white tag on it, size large, which we love. And I got really lucky because I found a model who was wearing the exact jacket. So I cut her face off, which is what we do, because we don't want to pay when there's someone's face in there wearing it. So I cut the cute face off, and the little poses, I'm telling you, they sold it. So whenever you can find a stock photo, I recommend using it. But since I come from the print business, put a star, put a heart, do something, chop it down, but try not to put people's faces in it because they're actually not getting paid for the exposure. So that's just my little tidbit. That's just being a good person, you know?
Yeah, no, that's a really good idea. Really good tip there. Absolutely, yeah.
And you still see the garments. Everything looks great. You're just cutting it down a little bit.
Right, yeah. So,
I didn't show you.
Oh, yeah, here it is.
Here it is, you guys. Isn't it cool?
Oh my gosh, yeah. It's got like the pink in there with a nice orange tag. Yeah, this is a really nice piece. Just like the nice gold hardware there. Yeah, really
classic, cool. Beautiful. I love the shape of the puffers. It's like that cocoony, pretty cool.
Yeah. So, guys, when you are out there sourcing, oh my gosh, make sure you check that sell-through rate so you're getting things that are going to sell really fast for you. You know, they're not going to be sitting around this whole time, just collecting dust. So
yeah, winter coats are pretty good right now, I would say, for the next month, and then we're thinking beach towels and sandals.
Right, yeah. So if you're not watching this just as it went out, we're just about mid-January right now. So winter coats and things are selling really well. Mm-hmm. Absolutely. So take a look out, guys. Keep an eye on what's going out next season and stay on top of that. I know, Michelle, you do a really good job at that. And so, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So. I love showing you guys the sold candy. We love doing retail arbitrage, and it's so fun. So yeah, tune into the fun candy stuff. I love that video.
Oh my gosh, yes guys. We got a couple of them. So make sure to do that, and we will see you next time, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time with us. Hopefully you got some ideas on what might be good to source for your own stores.
Yep. Until next time, guys.
Yeah, guys. Hats off to you.
There isn't a snowstorm that's going to stop us from going to the mail, the mailman.
Yeah. See that in the back there? We got all our packages. Don't take too long. About 45 minutes to package all this stuff. So we're gonna hit the icy trail here and get to the post office. Thanks for joining us, guys.
Bye.